Welcome back, nerd friends. This week we go on a Nerdventure. The ranch is a spot that we have access to thanks to Mr. Weir, His Royal RC Highness. He likes rock crawling as much as he likes slashing. We had an opportunity, I think it was a couple Wednesdays back, for an after work session. He says, hey, we're gonna go up to the top of the ranch. Do you wanna go with? I said, yes, I do. So on this particular day of nerding, we had some guests along with us that also had Vanquish Phoenix rigs equipped with reef servos and of course, Hobbywing electronics. Mr. Weir's truck has a regular Fusion Pro 2300. I have a Fusion Pro Elite 2300. The blue Falcon truck that you see is actually the straight axle version of the Phoenix. I just swapped the bodies between the two of them. That has a Fusion SE 1800 in it. And you'll see some glimpses of Corwin's yellow truck. That's actually a Phoenix as well, a Vanquish Phoenix that has the stance body converted onto it, and that also has a Fusion Pro 2300. But this is just a short, I guess, session. I know rock crawling isn't widespread enjoyable to watch, but we did get a pretty cool tree line section that I thought was pretty interesting, and there's a little bit of chatter going on. So hope you enjoy. If you like rock crawling stuff like this, let us know in the comments down below. Don't worry, the Charlie Show will be back to tech stuff soon enough. I've just been having a lot of RC fun lately, and I feel it's prudent to share that on an occasion. Not a bad view. Fun way to have a Wednesday after work. We're gonna drive in high.
Yeah, I did something
Hope it sticks to rock. Look at it. Tire touched.
Yeah. So I could get that right.
Now it's gonna wedge it down.
Dude, once the lichen gets off.
Oh, nice. Dig on to pivot it up. Oh, fell into the hole.
You're a felon?
Steer out of the hole a little bit.
Yeah, be careful on that, dude. You got to go up that rock, but you don't. But it's the kind of the only.
We got a little wedgie. Oh, there we go. There we go.
That's a good release.
Yeah, it came out of there.
This one, I always.
We go inside or outside?
You got to go inside.
In there.
Yeah. But you go high and it kind of falls in. Because if you go too low, you get body scraping.
Turn around for what? Says it real quiet like, dude.
We've got it. Now he has to do the impossible.
Oh, the super shimmy. Where did you go? You went this way instead of over there?
Yeah, because dude, there's too much grass over there in Poison Oak, and I want to go to the sunset.
Okay, fair.
And there's some cool lines over here.
Try to move myself into position.
There it is. You see him let that sidewall eat?
Dude, I gotta follow the beef.
Chuck, this fucking is the best crawler I've ever used.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
It's been about 3 years since I've done this, and this is the best one I've ever used. Like how you can actually crawl it, like.
So the new systems are really good.
It's incredible.
That has actually one of our cheapest systems in it.
Really?
Yeah.
Like this is so much better than anything I've ever seen.
The little bit better radio helps because it's got that nice throttle resolution. What's the line up here?
It took me 5 minutes to get up that one.
He was struggling. I think I took all the lichen off of this. No one was liking it when I was done. So then you got to cut across Carl over here, or you can do that top flight move. It all wraps around. Hey, Charlie.
What's up?
Why don't you let some forward progress go behind you?
Standing on trail. Just
as a friend.
Oh, dude, I found an option line right there. Dude, look, did you see that?
Yeah, the straight up left, and I kind of middle right to straight. Yeah, I did see it. It's kind of a clear line there. This shit has so much grip. actually dig it. Yeah. And RC, like slash racing.
Oh, Hammertown. We made it to Hammertown.
Yeah. Do you know that they make ride-on fixtures? Mark?
Yeah.
They make ride-on fixtures.
Yeah, no, I've seen them. My big thing is hand-built trail.
I get it.
I know, but like, I would do it, but if that's when
Tippy-toeing through the treetops.
Yeah.
but I can dig like a fucking bulldozer, dude. Yeah. And I can do it all day. And I
Oh,
like
the high drop.
Yeah, it's fun. I love it.
The high drop.
It's the best.
But until I can't do that, that's when I'll be like, okay, time to graduate to a machine. Even though that's lame, I just don't thrill at the ranch is all they want. Other than the machine shit on the other side that Duncan does. He has a Swaco.
What's a Swaco?
Trail building tractor.
Oh no, Corwin's got a loose screw.
I broke it.
Oh, you gotta pop that back on.
Rivet.
Riveted.
So the funny thing is that truck is actually pretty stock. It has the
Really?
upgraded transmission gears. It has a better, servos and all that stuff in it. And the radio's better, but
Well, that's a lot.
it's true. I guess you're right. That's pretty much the whole truck. Wait till we get there. Slow down.
Well, I've been
It
waiting.
is
And
pretty.
it looks so much cooler when it's realistic like
It
that.
is. Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Did you go up this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe left a
I
little
was gonna
bit.
say that's what I would go left.
Where is E-Dog Dog?
Oh, I'm moving rock.
There it is.
Sorry.
You gotta kind of straddle that section there, so you gotta be. Oh.
This might be one of those situations where the portals.
Dude, Diggerun is Monis, dude. Like,
Yeah, plug it. Spend the night up here. Just fucking have the best night of your life and the worst.
Doug
night you've ever
Demonis.
had.
Oh, it won't even eat.
Yeah, I fucked around with it.
Dude, I walked right up that fucking thing. Did I take all the traction out? There it is. Oh, are you in overdrive? There it is. Oh, why'd you
Wow.
turn down for what, dude?
I thought it was gonna go.
there
It looked
yet,
like it was there.
You
Oh.
weren't there. Back of the line, Bobby.
I
Boucher.
thought it was there.
Hey, let's see where your undercut.
We
is.
come out. I think the rocks moved.
I don't.
Hand-built trails, dude.
I walked up it, dude. But
Oh, that's not fair.
Whoa. Freaking bird on a wire
Oh,
over
look at
here.
him, dude.
Dig
He's
it,
digging.
Digosaurus.
I'm digging it.
Nice.
Yeah, he's not done yet. Yes. Oh, don't turn off it. Let it eat before you start. Oh, you just peeled some nipples. There it is.
Nice.
Careful on your.
Here we go again.
There you go. That's it. Stay
Oh, buddy,
cranked a little
bro.
bit. So you can 50-50. You want to see from this side? You feel comfortable where you're at?
Look at the slow dig. The slow dig.
No, careful, dude.
I'm off dig.
I know. Well, you're a little bit.
So, it's an entertainer. Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Is your winch working?
Yeah, right?
My suck down winch is.
I haven't finished mine.
It's weird what it does though. Like when you're on and off camera and you suck it down, it actually makes it.
Dude, look at the loading that's happening right now.
Because it flexes it compresses
Oh.
the upside.
Yeah,
like
it won't let it articulate.
yeah, it just flattens it. So the whole rig, it's kind of weird.
We're gonna super crosstown this thing. Is that the line?
Yeah,
What?
yeah, isn't that cool?
That's great, dude. Did you guys see that?
Yeah, I was right there.
That was sick. I hope I don't blow it now.
Corwin's in the hunt.
See what? You playing with a toy? I did see you playing with toys.
My toy truck did just did us a toy truck
I
thing.
did toy truck thing.
Oh, this part's tricky.
Damn. That's
Pretty-
nasty.
pretty
You
cool.
gotta go over there with your fronts, and then you drag this thing against there. That tire.
On the
inner
inside of it?
sidewall, yeah, inner sidewall on the
Inner.
driver rear.
You got to inner sidewall the stump. All
Yeah.
right. Let's see.
If that's the best way I can describe it.
Terrible description.
I don't know. Just put it there.
So we're
I
gonna
give you
go
1 point. That's all you have to do is put it there.
up there.
You should turn down for what? For a while now, dude. That's too far. But okay.
I was trying to line up my inner
Okay, no, that'll
sidewall.
work too. That might work. It's just a bigger drop. But you could be able to hook it.
And then straighten her out so it starts to go. And then, whoa.
I'm good. There it is.
This is very,
That's it.
it looks
Yeah, no,
very
it's
off
very
camber from
precarious.
here.
And you might have to turn down for what? A little bit, not a lot.
Yeah, just a
But in
like
very-
a tiny touch
yes,
to catch
there
it,
Now you
right?
gotta turn up for what?
And then maybe a dig.
Yeah. That
Dig
would
on, dig
yeah.
on, dig off.
Oh, dig.
I think the dig on, oh
Oh,
wait, we got,
Doug, dig,
we're not
Democus.
out of here yet. We
Yeah.
still got to get that front side to drop.
Oh,
I'm gonna
good
move.
Golden grams. Emigos, dude. Get yourself
Look,
some
look at the,
Emigos.
there's only two tires touching.
That's awesome.
2 touches.
And
Tony.
right as it starts to drop the back, the front's gonna go over the ledge and
Oh,
save my life.
Drag it.
Look at that,
You got
right?
it.
Oh,
Oh,
boop.
it did
It just did the
this is
lightest
some heavy
touch.
nerd shit.
Whoa! All right, Mark made it across the bridge over troubled waters. I have to do the same, so these guys have room to work with.
I'm gonna put my controller
The trick
down.
with this one seems to be to keep your tires over the strap because there's many missing pieces of the bridge. Mark just made it like it was nothing. But the nice thing is there's some staples.
There's the staple.
Yeah, they have extreme traction. I might
I'm done. I broke it.
I might have gone too
Jesus Christ, Corwin.
too far off. Oh wait, look at that. Tire's gonna touch the log. Just barely. This one's gonna just barely catch right there. I might have made it. I might have made it.
It's all because of your
Suspect.
Did you know we do a podcast? We do. We give away free Hobbywing stuff each and every episode. All you have to do is look up RC Stuff powered by Hobbywing on your favorite podcast service and listen to an episode so you can find out how to enter to win. Questions, comments, concerns? You can shoot us an email directly, northamerica@hobbywing.com. And as always, folks, thanks for watching. It's The Charlie Show, new every Tuesday right here on the Hobbywing official YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.